Hello everyone. Now our next topic is paging. Paging is your optional topic because paging mechanism depend on the PG bit. By using a paging mechanism, we will convert linear address into physical address. This is the paging mechanism diagram you can see here. Linear address has a three part: directory part, table part and offset part. This directory part is a 10-bit field. Table part is your 10-bit field, offset part is your 12-bit field. This 10-bit field basically work as an index for the page directory table. The table field work as an index for the page table, and offset field work as an indexing part for the memory. So here you can see this is your directory table, this is your page table, and this is your page frame table. So the control register, we have a 4 control register in 80386. So control register 0, 1, 2 and 3. So the control register 3, CR3, this register is a page directory base address register that provide this register. Means CR3 register provide the base address of the directory table. When we combine this base address with the offset value, then you find out the particular directory. This directory provide the base address of the page table. When you combine this base address with the offset value, then you can find out the particular page table. That page table provide the base address of the page frame address table. When you add this base address with the offset value, then you can find out the particular page. Like that, you will convert linear address into physical address. So page descriptor base register CR2 is used to store the 32-bit linear address of page fault. CR3 is used as a page directory physical base address, store the physical starting address of the page directory. The lower 12 bit of the CR3 are always 0 to ensure that the privileged directory is always page aligned. A move operation to CR3 automatically load the page table entry cache, and the task switch through the task state segment change the value of CR0. So basically CR3 register we are using as a page directory base address register, and it is the at most 4 KB in size because every page has a fixed size, that is 4 KB size, and maximum entry can contain 1024 because page directory is your 10-bit part, so it can define the table size, means to the power 10. That means total number 1024 total number of entries contained by the page directory table. Upper 10-bit we are assigning for the directory part and use as a indexing purpose. So this is your page directory entry: P bit, read and write bit, user supervisor bit, access bit. These are reserved by the operating system, and page table address from 12 to 31. So page table, again page table part is your 10-bit part, contain the 1024 total number of entries. Because page table is a 10-bit part, so it define the page size, it define the page table size, and page table size is to the power 10, means 1024 total number of entries contained by the page table. So upper 20-bit page frame address is concatenated with the lower 12-bit of the linear address to form the physical address. 10-bit part for the directory, 10-bit part for the page table. So total is 20-bit, and when we combine this 20-bit part with the 12-bit part, in that case we will define the physical address. So to the power 20 plus to the power 12 is equal to the power 32, and to the power 32 means 4 GB. So this is a page table entry: present bit, read write bit, user supervisor bit, access bit, and page frame address bit. So P bit indicate if the entry can be used in address translation, means P bit of the currently executed page is always high. This page table entry indicate it is present or not. Access bit define it is set before any access to the page, means we can access it or not. If this bit is set, that means we can access, otherwise we cannot access it. Dirty bit define means we have modified the page or not. So it is set before a write operation to the page is carried out. The D bit is undefined for the PDE. Dirty bit basically define the page. If we perform any read and write operation, any write operation on the page, at that time your dirty bit will be set. So basically it indicates your page has modified or not. Operating system reserved bit, so they are defined by the operating system software. User supervisor bit and read write bit, so they are used to provide protection. User supervisor bit and read write bit we are using for the protection purpose here. And here you can see if your user supervisor bit is 0 and read write bit is 0, in that case we can perform read and write operation on the privilege level 0, 1 and 2. but at the privilege level 3 we cannot perform the operation. If your user supervisor bit is 0 and read write bit is 1, in that case again we cannot perform the operation on privilege level 3, but we can perform the operation on privilege level 0, 1 and 2. If your user supervisor bit is 1 and read write bit is 0, in that case we can perform the read only operation. If your both bit is 1, in that case only we can perform the read and write operation on privilege level 3. So this is the example. Here your topic is end related to the paging. Next topic we will discuss into next lecture. Thank you.